Hey friends, in this video we are diving into the past love lives of your favorite WWE superstars. We will uncover who their ex-girlfriends or ex-wives were, their current ages as of 2025, the gap between them. Get ready for some surprising revelations and interesting facts about these wrestling icons. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Rusev. As of 2025, Rusev is 39 years old. He once shared a strong connection with his ex-girlfriend Lana. Their relationship was well known in the wrestling world, but as time passed, they chose different paths. Currently, Lana is also 39 years old with just a 7-month age gap between them. Number 2. Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins, now 38 years old, was once romantically involved with Sarah Schreiber. The duo had their fair share of attention, but their relationship eventually ended. As of 2025, Sarah is 37 years old, with an age difference of 1 year. Number 3. The Miz. At 44 years old in 2025, The Miz was once in a relationship with Layla El. Their bond was recognized by many, but over time they moved on. Layla, now 47, had a 3-year age gap between The Miz. Number 4. Tyler Bate. Tyler Bate, currently 27, shared a romantic connection with Liv Morgan. The two had a notable history, but eventually their relationship ran its course. At present, Liv is 30 years old, with a 3-year difference between them. Number 5. Buddy Murphy. Buddy Murphy, now 27, was once engaged to Alexa Bliss. Their love story was admired by fans, but fate led them in separate directions. As of 2025, Alexa is 30 years old with an age gap of 3 years between them. Number 6. Edge. Edge, one of the most legendary wrestlers, is 51 in 2025. He had a high-profile relationship with Lita, a wrestling icon herself. After their love story came to an end, fans still remember their time together. Presently, Lita is 49 years old with just a 1-year age difference. Number 7. Hulk Hogan. The legendary Hulk Hogan, now 71, was once married to Linda Hogan. Their marriage was well known, but their journey eventually led them apart. As of 2025, Linda is 65 years old with a 6-year gap between them. Number 8. Finn Balor. Finn Balor, now 43, once shared a romantic relationship with Bayley. Their chemistry was evident, but life took them in different directions. Currently, Bayley is 35 years old with an 8-year age difference between them. Number 9. Dolph Ziggler. At 44 years old, Dolph Ziggler was previously in a relationship with Nikki Bella. The two were once in a talked-about couple, but they eventually parted ways. Nikki, now 41 years old, had a 3-year age gap with Dolph. Number 10. Wade Barrett. Wade Barrett, now 44, had a past relationship with Alicia Fox. They had a strong connection, but their love story didn't last. As of 2025, Alicia is 38 years old with a 6-year difference between them. Number 11. Zack Ryder. Zack Ryder, currently 39, was once romantically linked with Emma. After their relationship had its moment, they eventually went separate ways. Presently, Emma is 36 years old with a 3-year age gap between them. Number 12. Alberto Del Rio. Alberto Del Rio, now 47, was in a well-publicized relationship with Paige. Their romance had its ups and downs before they ultimately called it quits. At present, Paige is 32 years old with a significant 15-year age gap between them. Number 13. CM Punk. CM Punk, 46 in 2025, once dated Maria Canales. Their relationship was well known among fans, but it eventually came to an end. Currently, Maria is 43 years old with a 3-year age difference. Number 14. The Undertaker. The Undertaker, now 59, was once married to Sarah Clave. Their love story was admired by many, but they eventually moved on. Sarah at present is 47 years old with a 12-year age gap between them. Number 15. Big Cass. Big Cass is 38 years old in 2025, was once romantically involved with Carmella. They shared some great moments, but their relationship ended over time. As of now, Carmella is 37 years old with just a 1-year difference between them. Number 16. John Morrison. John Morrison, now 45, had a long-standing relationship with Melina. Their history was well known in the wrestling world, but they eventually went their separate ways. Presently, Melina is also 45 with a 7-month age gap between them. Number 17. Kurt Angle. Kurt Angle, now 56, once shared a relationship with Karen Jarrett. Their journey together was memorable, but things changed over time. As of 2025, Karen is 52 years old with a 4-year age difference between them. Number 18. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Stone Cold Steve Austin, now 60, was once married to Deborah Marshall. Their relationship had its share of highs and lows before they ultimately separated. Presently, Deborah is 65 years old with a 5-year age gap between them. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the past relationships of these WWE superstars. If you find this interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Wrestle Series Comparison for more exciting wrestling content. Stay tuned for our next video and we will see you soon.